God, you look fabulous.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you've gained weight since the last time I saw you, haven't you?
Gosh, I don't know, Miriam. When was the last time I saw you?
6 years ago.
Oh, my God. Has it really been 6 years?
Yes, and you gained what, 10, 11 pounds?
I don't know, Miriam. I really can't remember what I weighed 6 years ago.
125. I thought you weighed more, but you said 125.
Then yes, I have put on a few pounds since then.
Well, you look fabulous anyway. What are you weighing, 135, 140?
Miriam!
145?
Miriam, I'm not going to tell you.
150? Oh, my God, you weigh over 150, don't you?
Miriam, can we just change the subject? I mean, we haven't seen each other for 6 years. We have so much catching up to do.
I'm sorry, you're right. So how do you think I look?
Fabulous. It's just so good to see you again.
And how much do you think I weigh?
I don't care, Miriam.
Come on, guess.
No, Miriam, I'm not going to guess.
108 pounds.
108 pounds?
Yes.
You do not weigh 108 pounds.
Oh, yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Oh, yes, I do.
No, you do not, Miriam. A thin 11-year-old girl weighs 108 pounds.
I know.
You don't weigh 108 pounds.
Oh, yes, I do. I weigh myself on a scale.
Well, then, you know what? That scale must be broken. Yes, it must be, because you cannot weigh 108 pounds in your height and still be alive.
May I tell you about today's specials?
What the hell are those?
Menus.
Who put you up to this? Who sent you here? Get away from me! Who sent you here?
We're not quite ready to order yet. Are you okay, Miriam?
Oh, yes, I'm fine. I'm great. Why shouldn't I be? I weigh 108 pounds. I have a scale in my purse. If you don't believe me, I can weigh myself for you.
That won't be necessary, Miriam.
Then you believe that I weigh 108 pounds?
Yes. So why don't you just relax?
Ah!